Mark Vande Hei and Scott Tingle in the void of space as the International Space Station passes over the North Pacific Ocean.
Bravo 1, counterclockwise.
And one correction on helmet camera designations. Mark Vande Hei's helmet camera designation is 18. That's the one you're looking at right now. Scott Tingle is number 20. I had them reversed a moment ago, but again, Mark Vande Hei's helmet camera that you're looking at right now is 18. Scott Tingle's helmet camera is designated 20.
Release clamp bolt Charlie. That is the inboard bolt. 10 turns.
Towards the inboard. Unlock it. Let me see if I can get us actually in the locked position. I'm getting in position for F number 5, Ike.
A firm mark, and if you could use your mini workstation ret for that ratcheting.
7. Counterclockwise 2.
Okay, please release EDF number 2.
Set. In the other direction.